We have two ways to do so. First of all, we can open settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. Then over here, we're going to choose accessibility and we want to go to vision. In here, you should be able to find the display size and we can adjust it by moving left and right. If you made your change, press this check over here in the top right corner in order to apply these changes. Another way to adjust DPI is by using developer options, but first we need to enable that. So we're going to scroll up in settings and go to about phone. Next, keep tapping on OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password. And once you do that, you will see this information that you are now a developer. So now we're going to go back to settings and scroll all the way down again and reopen additional settings. In here at the bottom, you should be able to find the developer options. And then we need to find an option that is called screen width. So let's try to find it. Here we have Bluetooth and there we go, smallest width. There we go. And in this case, the higher the number is, the smaller the screen becomes. So let's say if I write perhaps 500, not 5,000, 500, then the screen should be smaller. If it doesn't work for the first time, just go back and re-enter the same value. And let's see if this time it works. Sometimes it doesn't work, I'm not sure why. Let's see if I can write a lower number to see if it makes any difference. There we go, it actually did. So let's now try to use the 500 value. There we go. So now it works. So as you can see, sometimes we have to try to do some stuff in order to make it work. Like if it doesn't work by entering a high number, just enter a smaller one first and then see if it makes any difference. So that's all. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, and subscribe.